In this video, I'll guide you through how to print Microsoft Forms responses so you can easily keep a physical record or save a PDF copy of your results. First, make sure you're signed in to your Microsoft account and have your form ready. Start by opening Microsoft Forms in your browser and then select the specific form whose responses you want to print. This is important because each form has its own separate response area and you'll only be able to print the results for the form you've actually opened. Once your form is open, look toward the top of the page for the tab that says Responses or View Responses, depending on your version. Go ahead and click that. This section is where Microsoft Forms gathers all the answers people have submitted. You'll usually see a summary of how many responses you've received, some charts or graphs, and a breakdown of answers for each question. Take a moment here to quickly review the responses just to make sure everything has been collected correctly and that this is in fact the data you want to print. This can help you avoid printing an incomplete or incorrect summary if, for example, you're still waiting on more responses or you notice an error in one of your questions. Now, within this responses area, look for a section labeled something like Insights and Actions or Insight and Actions. This is typically found near the top right area of the responses page. Next to that section, you should see an icon with 3 dots, often called the More Options menu. These 3 dots are easy to miss if you're not looking for them, so move your mouse toward the right side of that section until you see them, and then click on them. When you click the 3 dots, a small menu will appear with a few options related to what you can do with your form responses. From this menu, select the option that says Print a Summary. This is the key step that tells Microsoft Forms you want a printable version of your response summary rather than an editable view. After you choose Print a Summary, your browser will open a print preview window. Here you'll see exactly how the summary of responses will look on paper or as a PDF. You can scroll through this preview to confirm that all the important charts, numbers, and answers are displayed the way you expect. If something seems off, you can always close the preview, go back to the form, and make adjustments before trying again. In the print preview, you can also change your printer, choose to save as a PDF, adjust orientation between portrait and landscape, and set other print settings like margins or page size. If you want a digital copy to share by email or store on your computer, selecting a PDF option is usually a good idea. If you're sending it to a physical printer, double check that the correct printer is selected and that you've loaded enough paper. Once everything looks good, just confirm the print command in your browser's print dialog. Your Microsoft Forms response summary will be printed or saved, giving you a clean, organized overview of all the responses you've collected. That's all there is to it. By opening your form, going to the Responses tab using the 3-dot menu and choosing Print a Summary, you can quickly turn your online data into a shareable, printable summary.